Okay, good afternoon. My name is Hernan Lozano, and I wish to present you competitive technological intelligence as strategic imperative. The purpose of this video is explain the competitive technological intelligence in the rapidly evolving landscape of technology. Organizations must harness this power to stay ahead, innovate, and thrive. Development, understanding competitive technological intelligence (CTI). CTI refers to the systematic process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about technological advancements, market trends, and competitors. It transcends mere data collection and empowers decision makers with actionable insights. Why CTI matters? Strategic decision making. CTI informs strategic choices such as product development, investment priorities, and market entry. Risk mitigation by anticipating disruptions and threats. Organization can proactively adjust their course. Innovation catalyst. CTI fuels innovation by identifying gaps and emerging technologies ripe for exploration. Key components of CTI: environmental scanning. This has a purpose of monitoring industry trends, regularly changes and disruptive technologies, keep an eye on competitors' move and partnerships. Technology watch. The purpose of that is track patents, research papers, and scientific breakthroughs. Identify potential collaborators or acquisition targets. Another is competitor analysis. Understand competitors' strengths, weaknesses, and R&D focus. Benchmark against industry leaders. Another, market intelligence. Analyze customer needs, preference, and market dynamics. Uncover unmet demands and white space opportunities. Implementing CTI. This is a form to implementing CTI. This is a purpose. Cross-functional collaboration. Break down silos. Involve R&D, marketing, legal, and strategy teams. Foster a culture of curiosity and knowledge sharing. Invest in tools and expertise. Leverage advancement analytics, machine learning, and AI, and artificial intelligence. Hire trained CTI specialists. Ethical considerations, respecting intellectual property rights, avoid unethical practice like industrial espionage. This is important for a big business. Okay, additional to that, competitive technological intelligence (CTI) is essential for anticipating trends, identifying opportunities, and mitigating threats in the business environment. CTI involves monitoring the competitive and technological landscape, analyzing and structuring data, and converting it into actionable knowledge. Organizations must invest in CTI capabilities such as technological surveillance, patent analysis, and competitor evaluation. CTI enables informed decision regarding innovation, product design, research and development, in long-term strategies. Sorry. In conclusion, competitive technological intelligence is not a luxury. It's more like a necessity for organizations that embrace CTI, gain a competitive edge, navigate uncertainties, and chart a course toward sustainable growth. As we forge ahead into the digital era, let us remember that knowledge is the power and CTI is all compass. It's a tool for this adventure and to be to be better in the world for the companies. Okay, thank you for your attention.